Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to add an image to an item. For this, you're going to want to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and go to the menu icon here at the top left, and go to Account Menu. Now there's another spot to do this at, which is here in Image Library, but I kind of prefer this route. So for this example, we're going to add a picture to ribeye dinner. I'm going to select ribeye dinner. And then there's the option up here to set image. And as you can tell, I've already got some images in here, but not the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to click this upload image here. It's going to go to my file explorer. You can direct it to your pictures wherever you have the file located. And then, so I'm going to choose this one here. Open. Now it is going to allow you to crop it. I'm just going to do... And this is probably way easier on the on a computer than it is on a cell phone. But I have not tried it on a cell phone. Hopefully it's not too bad. Ribeye. And then so you give it a name that's required, and then you choose where you want it, like what type is it. I only got the one option anyway. And then you click upload. And we'll upload that here. So now that it's here, I can select it since I'm on this item. And then we're going to hit save. We're going to get our save successful down here. Now we're ready to close this and publish changes. And then make sure you get your changes successful there. Now I'm going to go to see what that looks like for online ordering first, and then we'll take a look and see what it looks like on the workstation. I'm just going to refresh this here. We're going to start an order, and there we have our ribeye dinner. Click on that, and it shows a larger picture there on that one. Right, that's how you add the picture. Now let's take a look and see what it looks like on the workstation. Okay, now that we're on the workstation, I'm going to log out so we get that latest update. I'm going to log back in, go to an item. Now, here on this view, you can't see the pictures, but on these two views, you can. So there's the ribeye dinner picture there, and there it is there on that one. That's what it'll look like on the workstations. All right, well, that's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.